Well, that was quick. That was quick, Nigel. Let me give it to you. What did it just do? Okay, so we're live, I guess. So I should probably hide this and anything else I wanted to hide. I guess that's it. Not lucky. Okay, today I'm using Brave, by the way, because Chromium just dies. I can't even select and copy stuff from it sometimes. So yeah, but that doesn't really matter, because we're spending the whole day in the terminal. By the way, I got Waka time working, which I think I'll need to sign in again. Hold on, I'll do that. When I can watch YouTube fine in links. I mean, wait, links and link? I mean, I know about links, but what is links? I never used it, I think. I used W3M. I like W3M. That's was my first ever terminal browser. And I opened it and it worked. Links, which is LYNX, was kinda annoying. So yeah, I've got Waka time and Helix working, you know, 14 hours. And that's like not the first week I got it working. Yeah, I just installed Waka time LSP. Waka time is like it's time you spend like, so here are projects. I spent this amount of time this week on them. Here are my editors, here's my operating system, here's my well, most active day, whatever, daily average, weekdays, machines I'm using, languages, Lua, 1 hour and 24 minutes. What was I doing? 47 minutes on Nix, wow. Python C. When have I edited those two? Rust today, Satan today. Well, yeah. Here are projects, modern smelters. There are other things. So this thing is integratable into everything, but except Helix. But people made an LSP that you can put into Helix, and now it kind of works. So yeah, Waka time. I don't even know. Do I have goals? That's interesting. Can I set myself a goal of coding like 100 hours a day? I want to code more. I don't want to code more. Less. Well, I mean, okay, more. Using an editor in a language, in a project overall, huh? In a category. I wonder what this is. Huh? Interesting. Shareables. Repo pages. Wow. I want a repo page. Well, it kinda does. There are no global LSPs, but if I show my language is TOML, so there is a global LSP in Helix, but it's not yet like you need a fork for it. So I have for every single language I use often, I have language servers, and the main one, which for Scheme it's Steel, cause Helix plugin system, etc. And then Waka time for C, ClangD, which is the default, and Waka time for C++, ClangD, which is the default, and Waka time for Bash language server, and I have this installed just because I want to be able to edit Bash and Waka time. Gas, which is assembly, which I set all assembly files to Gas because it's using AT&T syntax and it can highlight properly. And I set language servers. ASM LSP, I have an LSP for assembly, yes. I installed that on NixOS. And Waka time. Then I have for Markdown, that's I think that actually that's not the default one, but that was the one in the page, in the example repo, and Waka time, obviously. Rust Analyzer and Waka time. Nix language server and Waka time, and Lua and Python. Like all languages I'm using often are with Waka time support now, I guess. I should probably add the same for Toml, but I'm not sure if I can. I mean, I guess I can. I'm too lazy to do that. And I'm not spending that much time in Toml. So yeah, I would kind of like... how can I like a project page actually? Should probably add that. Goals, gifts, insights. Why? Why? First of all, why? Second of all, I hate Home Manager. Sorry, but yes. Email reports. Interesting. And APIs, wow. I wonder what this is. Daily activity. Because I never really looked into it. Conceal coding. Nah, zero. Nothing. Okay, so yeah. That's like my weekly activity. Wednesday is pretty consistent, I'd say. A Toml parser for... Why do you need that? I mean, I guess yeah. On Google. Okay, Wednesday is not that consistent anymore. Saturday was, I think. Anyway, like 20... Oh wait, it's just cycling between 2024 and 2023. Anyway. Nix... Toml parser. Maybe. Like, why do you need it? Parse toml.nix. Mozilla. What? That is interesting. Oh my god. That's interesting, you know. I guess, yeah. By Mozilla. You want to like make Nix configuration into a Toml one or something? So I want a repo page. Oh my god, I don't have repos here. Orco. I want a repo page for Orco. Come on. So parse base language Toml, use Toml parser, and then append walk at the... No. No, because every time I change languages Toml, I'll have to rebuild my home configuration. So Home Manager copies it and appends stuff to it into a place where it should be. And I hate this. No, I don't like that. Like, that's why I'm not using Home Manager. I like using Nix for packages, but not for dot files, because I want dot files to be regular symlinks so I can edit them and they can update without me rebuilding the whole thing. Oh my god, my what was it? My accent probably just went a bit not where it should. Okay, so Adobe XD, Adobe, whatever. I'm not used to calling it Adobe. Oh my god, Blender integration. Why? Oh my god, it has Blender integration. Anyway, that's not what I'm using. I wish I could add a repo page. I want a repo page. Missing a repository. Connect GitHub. I have connected GitHub already. Haven't I? Me. Install and authorize. I don't wanna poison Texelware with my stuff. See new login to Waka time. Okay, now repo pages. Repositories Orco. Turn this on. Orco. Well, this split. Wait, Orco dash Rust? What? IDW? Exclude Lua console. Oh my god, I don't know. What's the website that could include a Lua console? Is it like Wasm? And isn't MacroQuad dead by this point? Oh, Quad. I feel like MacroQuad was dead. No? At the same time, I feel like this is a new icon. Well, maybe it's not dead actually. I mean... Oh, wait, Piston is dead. MacroQuad is probably alive and... Well, yeah. Maybe I should use MacroQuad by the way once. At some point. And mlua project wasm very unsuccessful. Interesting. Why do you need a macro quad abstraction library though? Like macro quad provides can you give me docs? Let me see. Docs.rs without iframe. Sure. What do you have here? Prelude. Oh my god, prelude. Re-exports everything from anything drawing, huh? Macro quad. Imagine macro quad being actually a wrapper around micro quad. Oh my god, I'm gonna type this manually. Macro quad. Opt-in abstraction library. Windows save files. Huh? It's like what? Wait. I'm so close to what? Mini quad. What? Mini quad is a manifestation of a dream world where we don't need a deep dependencies tree and thousand slices of code that draw things with a computer. Mini quad aims to provide a graphics abstraction that works the same way on any platform with a GPU being as light as weight as possible, and as many machines as possible. Okay. And a mini quad should be okay. No, an abstraction over micro quad. But I mean, that's actually I never seen this library. What is it? Oh, that's an app file. Android. Okay, that is insane. Give me an example, huh? I wanna see an example. Let me see an example of this thing. I wanna see how it looks like. Without any abstractions over it, and how many dependencies, I also wonder. Example. Triangle. Is it like actually... Okay, yeah, that's annoying, to be honest. So that's basically an OpenGL wrapper. I'm pretty sure it's using Vulkan or WebGPU. Probably WebGPU. Like, this is a Rust thingy. Well, maybe it doesn't use anything and it's just implementations, I don't know. It probably doesn't have shader compilation. Well, at the same... metal... What? Vertex fragment metal? I don't see GLES here, so I guess it's not OpenGL. It's not using WebGL. At least, maybe WebGPU then. But, oh my god, metal. Why metal? Macro quad. No, I need micro... wait, mini quad examples. I mean, yes. Wanna see its dependency tree. Build the res shell.nix, that's cool. Cargo toml. Target Windows dependencies. Win API. That's interesting. Linux dependencies. libc. That's it. Okay, that's cool. Except that like X11, Wayland, I don't know difference between those. Does it support orbital? Like it doesn't even have winit. Oh my god. That dependency is glam. Whatever. Quadrant. Objective-C, I guess. Is in macro quad. So micro quad doesn't... Wait, mini quad doesn't even have windowing. You can't even create a window. Like, winit has support for... Why is it not loading? Winit has support for orbital, which is like... Which is pretty much X11 or Wayland, but different. It's just written... Just a protocol written in Rust, I'm pretty sure. It's like a display... whatever. Display server. Rendering backend. Window new rendering backend. That's it. Okay, so what are you doing? I don't know. Wait, I'm in source. I have just two files. Examples. Windows. Is it only in Windows? Or can it work on other links? That's a joke. Window bang. Oh my god, what is that? Top bar is window, bottom bar is a window. Okay, so I like macros. I like how macros are used here, but what is it for? What is it like? What are you defining? Root get bottom bar corners. Is this a UI layout or something? I feel like it's a layout. It's at least a layout. Oh, it has a button. Yeah. So is it just a UI layout, but it's like only layout? Yeah, that's interesting. That is interesting. Dialogue. Okay. So yeah. Okay, so I wanted to add a page. Orco, SVG, Markdown, Wakatime, HTML, text9, whatever. Oh, copy paste into readme. Image, Markdown. Okay, so I want to paste it into Markdown. Orco. I wanna add Orco. Oh wait. Dude, who are you? Give me my account. Okay. OW client. What is this? Who is this person? I see no activity. Or 2025. Let me see myself. Well, over 2025 makes sense. 2024? No. 2023? No. Okay, so 2022, like, whatever, single contribution. Interesting. That's not me. Okay, my sweet project. I've spent like countless time on it. Okay, I just this markdown syntax for images, like, okay, so it's just this part, I think. Well, it's just like a link with an alt, but a bang in front, but I'm just not used to it still. Commit. Well, actually, hold on. Let me preview. I want my badge. Oh my god, a badge. Wow. How many hours? 128 hours. 2 to the 7th power, let's go. Wow. That's interesting. That's cool. Repo badges. Yeah. Also, maybe dot files. This one is like weird, but maybe why not? Just like this Wakatime badge. Orco, time spent in ID of this repository automatically triggered by Wakatime. Me, 128 hours. Can you actually get to me there? Oh wow, you can't see my profile. Total time coded since December 19, 2022. 1,797 hours. And I've programmed in Rust for 68% of time. And Lua is on the second place. That's insane. Well, actually, that's not right, because I don't have this plugin in all my editors. Especially, I missed like half of 2024 because no plugin in Helix, and it's missing all the C++ because Arduino IDE also doesn't have a plugin. Well, I mean, I can get it in, but yeah. So yeah, that's interesting. Well, actually, you know what? I'm not gonna do dot files. I'm not gonna do dot files instead. Well, I mean, maybe I should have. I can do my profile. I wanna do my profile. Because my profile is kinda empty. At least compared to other people. For example, you, Nigel. My Waka time page. Okay, now at least it's not as empty. I've coded 1,800 hours. Why is it in phoenixcoder.cf? I think I haven't got the domain yet, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna paste in the free one, which I'm probably gonna get, but I got org. And now I can do org. Yes. Web. Scared of being rejected from jobs. Oh my god. Well, I'm not scared of being rejected from jobs because I'm not applying to any jobs. And like it's... So getting a job for me is... Right now is like... No. It is like rarely. GitHub. Why haven't I filled it in? LinkedIn? I mean, I don't yet have a LinkedIn. I have an account. I've got an account on LinkedIn. I'm not gonna fill it in yet. The hireable page. Why not? I don't know. Let's play email. Does it have my email? I wonder what email it's gonna be. I mean, I could display an email publicly. But I'm probably not gonna do that because it's like my actual email is displayed and always updated on my website. Display code time publicly all time. Languages publicly, yeah, everything public. Yes. I know, Nigel, I know. We're allocating web pages, you know? We're allocating web pages. I wanted to do also something else, huh? Okay. Here now. Yeah, this is my website. Well, actually, you know what? I could actually add a Waka time page in here. Anyway, I think that's enough of doing random stuff. Let me, first of all, pull my changes, pull the changes I made, and then we'll get to work again. Also, I should mark this. Okay, good. Where is this git pull and Oracle also? Yeah, by the way, if we finish page allocation, which is probably like, I mean, I have allocation, it's just freeing and some minor things today, or I'm probably gonna finish it off stream if we don't finish it on stream, because I'm on stream, I'm doing random things. Then next stream is probably gonna be Oracle. That's not where I wanted to go. Tools, I think, or come here. Git pull. And yeah, I think I resolved all the problems. Should be good. Now, this is here. So, paging, whatever, early page allocation, I think that's it. By the way, I've got Control L, Control H, which are fast. This shortcut is fast, but I'm never using it. I can't. By the way, I use Control S, H, and L to navigate between panes, which is interesting. Okay, build a stage, run. Is it gonna build? Maybe. Yeah, it's built. It's interesting. Maybe it's gonna run. Probably it will. Okay, it works. Paints and Tmax. Yes. I use Control S, H, and L. I rebinded Control B to Control S. That's it. Because someone suggested, I think it's like typewriter YouTube channel, or whatever. Control B, wait, Q, wait. 1? Oh wait, if you do Q, you can choose a pane. Hold on, what? So, wait, hold on. So this allows me. Oh my god, that's so annoying. Wow, this allows me to switch panes. It's really annoying though. Oh wait, Control S numbers is switching to Windows, by the way. But yeah, this is annoying. I like this. I was like, Control S Q, close my pane. Why it's not working? That was my first like idea of what it should do. I thought it would close the pane. It was so showing me numbers. I was like, so yeah, close it. 01. Yeah, I mean, I did not know you can even switch this. But yeah, I use Control S instead of Control B. Yeah, I also remapped caps to Control, and now Control S is just one finger away, basically. No! Why? I'm annoyed by, like... It's not practical, just... Believe me. I like 0. I like 0-based indices because I'm a real programmer. Yeah, that is annoying. But I mean, I don't really care. I never use numbers as indices inside of Tmax. I just use Control S, L, H, and like, I don't know. For navigating windows, I almost never switch windows, but I think it's Control N, Control S N. That's what I'm using. Anyway, early allocation. So yeah, I've got early allocation. This stuff works. Now we need to free pages. So here we're mapping pages and unmapping them. Oh my god, I can't talk. Let's switch this to map alloc. Let's even do ty, because why not? Size and t things value. I mean, I guess. I don't even know. Hold on. This function was meant to allow me to cast. Yeah, I'm not gonna be using that. Like, should I take size? Like, map alloc is a function that maps some space into an address space, just allocating some more space. Now, this function. Well, this is basically just allocate and memory map into address space. But then this function is a wrapper around the first function, which also casts to a type, which is just like one line. But yeah, it's useful. Now, should I pass in size, or should it be deduced from t and then rounded up to page boundaries? Not sure, maybe. Okay, so now map alloc, v-address size flags, virtual address. I don't even know. From pointer to test R. Physical address. It's not gonna be physical address. I just need size, which is gonna be what is it? 4K or page size min as underscore. That's proper way to do it. I just understood that I can't really use it because I mean, well, I mean, I can use it, but I can't share it. I don't yet have a way to share stuff. Legs, alright. So I'm gonna do read and write on the same thing, and also it should be like that. Now I'm not gonna map I'm gonna map another pointer. Let's do just the regular test. 801. Ha. Why? C801. C0801. Kernel address space. Okay, so yeah, we're allocating into test. Let's do let test equals s mute pointer off. Now mapped. Now I'm assigning 42 to test route. Then I'm reading it. It should obviously work, because I mean it worked. Why can't I? Huh? Okay, what? What? Oh, this is messed up. It was like scrolled down, but I couldn't scroll it. I don't know how this happened. Oh, and then yeah, more R's. This is on my page. Yeah, I'm gonna comment this out for now. We're gonna be doing free. We're gonna free this thing. Well, yeah. I don't know why there's like a delay here. Oh wait, that's probably because like page map, page info table. Yeah, page info table, like right now, page info table is just so incredibly slow. Should speed it up. Table. To do speed up, because it's really unoptimal right now. For every single page I'm checking its overlap with regions, which is like, yeah, probably shouldn't be doing that. So yeah, I guess I would change that. Now test stuff. Oh my god, who are you? Can you have a cookie, please? Interesting. Oh, by the way, we've got best viewers before. So yeah, can you have a cookie, please? Thank you for following. That's an interesting name, you know. And interesting that they could read this. Anyway, I guess. So yeah, we've mapped, we wrote this. Now let's unmap it. Kernel address space. Let's do unmap. Unmap free. I guess, I mean, sure. And unmap free test. What? I don't know. Let's do. Well, I guess it's gonna be address, which is word address, from mute pointer off test. Then page size min as the size generate. It's like unmap free being like I'm gonna put it here, being like an opposite to map alloc, and I'm gonna remove that. Okay, let's do unmap. Min, it's not gonna be page size, it's gonna be use size. It's not gonna return anything for now. I'm gonna make it return a result later. Because right now I'm pretty sure I'm not erroring on allocations. Okay, so map alloc. Now I'm gonna unmap free. I'm gonna unmap free. Yeah, also I guess I'm gonna I mean, I'm not sure if I need this map alloc ty. I feel like this, because it probably won't have a map version of it. I mean, maybe it would. I'm gonna remove it, and if I will need it later, I'm gonna re-add it. So yeah, this is gonna be harder, a bit harder, because here unmapping a page requires its size, and I don't know what size, what page size I used here, what page sizes I used here. I guess it would have the same algorithm as map alloc, and just hope and pray it will work. By the way, this probably should return a mapping result of nothing. That's done, yay. So we have test virtual address. No. Hold on, those are not the names. The other and size. So yeah, I should ideally I should implement large pages here first, and then implement the same thing in unmap 3. Well, maybe I should. I don't know. Maybe I should take this. Take the unmap page. Copy that. Virtual address is aligned. If virtual address is not aligned, to page size unaligned virtual address. Yeah, right. So page size of layer. Oh, they need layer. I mean, I'm operating on the top layer. No, actually, it should be easy. It should be simple. I just unmap it. Yeah, I just unmap it in the same algorithm I do map alloc, and unmap page. When it gets to the page size, even if this page consists of smaller pages, should theoretically free all of them right. And oh my god, I just noticed. Do you see this? This is also scrolled. What? Oh wait, it's just this thing having size. Huh. Interesting. Unset entry. Flash TLB. Get entry. Yeah, I should be freeing here. I'm not even freeing pages, huh? I need to be freeing pages. Okay, so map alloc. Unmap free. Okay. Okay, so I'm just silent. Well, actually, okay, so I noticed a flaw, because, like, in reference counting. Let's finish free though. So self page size, whatever. This is gonna be checked. Okay, so we need to go. First of all, we need to get the size of all pages. Well, all page sizes. Yeah, that's a lot of work. That's just a lot of work. Let's also I should click that so we don't get into copyright region. Hey, like, get back where you belong. Come on. Okay, good. Now, let's go one by one. So if I go to, I don't even know where it is, address, wait, memory rs, here. I have page info, which has acquire, and oh my god, yeah. It's ordering and stuff relaxed, oh my god. Yeah, that's... I had to figure this out. I'm still not sure at all what any of this means. I mean, I kind of know, but I have no idea if this is right or not. And compare exchange taking 2 arguments. Atomics are still, like, new to me. Wait, he said something? Oh, make it otherwise easy to understand where project is somewhere. What the project is somewhere. Pinned now? Didn't I pin it? Like, I don't even know what to do, what else to do. Like, we have a pin in Discord that leads you to GitHub. which should theoretically have all the information you need. Wait, I replaced. Wait, what did I just do? Hold on, what? First of all, it what? Oh, that's Discord. So yeah, I pinned the message, and GitHub should have enough, because yeah, I have goals here, concerns, and other things. So it's roadmap. Unfortunately, yeah. So I did a lot of stuff, and this is like a third rewrite after that, which is so sad. Oh my god! But I know this time we're gonna get it. Now, page info, acquire, allocate page. So yeah, just, so here we have map page which receives an address. Should it increment the reference count? 3:14 p.m. UTC, Tuesday, 14 January 2025. This time we're oh my god, it's kind of sad that I still don't have bank quotes. Like in Freedom's chat, for example. Oh wait, just Covino's chat, you can do quote stuff. But I think I don't have that yet. None of the bots reacted. I think I only have Seri and my own, and maybe Stream Elements as well. And yeah, that's it. I could implement quotes actually. All client had it. This time we're going to get it. By the way, /me didn't break. I should probably fix it though. Okay, well, let me add because it shouldn't have a comma. Oh wait, comma colon. Let me add it to my to-do list. To my chat related to-do list, which is actually kind of full. By the way, Olympics today was the first tour, and I should not be saying that because, well, yeah, it didn't really go well, but I guess still fine. No, Twitch event sub supports it, I guess, because your message didn't start with an action, which means event sub understands what it is. I just need to use it. I just need to pass it. So /me. I'm just gonna add it to my to-do list. And yeah, I'm using Google Tasks for a to-do list. And I actually already have a fork. By the way, fork time emote on Twitch is a much weaker version of the one on Discord, because on Discord I could actually update it. On Twitch I can't update emotes without removing them. And I feel like removing an emote is gonna not be good. So yeah, I think I added an outline and also made it much bigger. So you could see. And I'm actually surprised by how much bigger I could make. I could make just text in this tiny square. Anyway, so map page, which is a recursive thingy, it should increment, like it should theoretically increment a reference counter on the address. Maybe no, actually. Does not increment reference count. Okay, that's good. Decrement of the target page. Let's do inc here. Okay, good. Good enough. So map alloc. Well, it allocates because I can't. I could make map page increment reference count, but that then we're gonna have two, because alloc page must set it to 1, or else in between this and this, like interrupt could happen, and it was like, Okay, I'm gonna ruin all your atomic day and just allocate a page in the middle, and then we're gonna get a data race. Basically. So yeah, I guess we're gonna do it manually. Also, so yeah, mapping all the stuff is kind of a lot of work. So it's like better. It's probably better to manage reference counting on this side. Anyway, so this could actually decrement the reference count. Does decrement. Okay, I should make this lowercase because too many screaming. Too much screaming. I'm gonna do this. By the way, I learned to use shift backtick, which is a tiled or a squiggly line, to change the casing of letters in Helix. That's also kind of good and great. Okay, so unmap a single possible large huge does decrement. So unset entry should theoretically so this should theoretically drop the page. Wait, where am I? Unset entry here. So unmap page. Before unsetting an entry, I'm probably gonna recurse deeper. Count of all pages start. So this one maps to Happy World Logic Day, Single High. What's World Logic Day? World Logic Day. This is actually a thing. UNESCO.org. An international day proclaimed by UNESCO in association with the International Council of Philosophy. Okay, I should probably stop reading it because I'm gonna mess up all the words. Okay, so it is actually January 14 from 20. Proclaimed in November 2019. I wonder how it could be proclaimed in November 2019 but celebrated first like almost a year before. Okay, I guess Happy Logic Day. Date chosen to celebrate corresponds to the date of death of this guy and the date of birth of this guy. Prominent logicans of 20th century. Kurt Gödel. I have no idea if I read it right. Informal before UNESCO declared it. Oh, okay, makes sense. Well, it happened just once, but it's like a lot of time after this first day. Then it was registered. Okay, I'm not gonna read this name. I can.
Kurt Gödel.
Okay, I can read stuff. Logician, mathematician, and philosopher. And this guy, I think I also don't know this guy. Polish American, logician, and mathematician. Okay, I should stop reading this. Oh my god, I just can't read. Proclamation was proposed by UNESCO exclusive executive board in the middle of 2019, discussed and adopted at 107th season of the UNESCO executive board in October, and proposed to the 40th General Conference of UNESCO. On 26 November 2019, the 40th General Conference proclaimed 14th January 14th to be World Logic Day, coordinated by CIPSH. Well, okay, enough. Hold on, what's philosophy and humanity? Human. Oh my god. Stop it now. Okay, so I guess celebrate Happy World Logic Day, guys. Um. Okay, so decrement reference count of all pages related to this one. Free page. Hooray! Self layer. Self layer. What borrows layer? Page size borrows layer. Well, I mean, it should probably borrow layer instead of moving it. Virtual address, word adder, and page size. Create arch. I mean, I don't really need page size here because I have a layer. Let's just do mapping out. Okay, so now here, let's do okay for now. So my page. Now I need to check if this page is there are like some functions. Next layer. Okay, so I'm just gonna do on same thing as on my page. Did I guess? Well, the address is probably aligned. So self page size. Well, this is never a thing. So I'm gonna do self free page. So I need next layer. Monokai soda team. Monokai soda. Okay, sure. Well, again, same problem. I mean, I kinda can see the address space being highlighted, but yeah, I think it like lacks a lot in a lot of the themes. That's the thing. Anyway, this one is actually like high contrast, but much better than any others I've seen. I think. Anyway, so I have no idea how to fix this. Like, I don't know. I need to somehow iterate through all the pages. Hide of Nina. Of culture. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna move this to the back end or whatever. Hey. Top layer. Okay, so I'm not sure how. I'm not sure about implementing it. Like, I need to get this page's entry, and then I need to iterate through all wait, whatever, 1000 pages. Second, yay! Second has been redeemed. I forgot about the. Wait, where are we at? Okay, I should probably. I feel like I'm gonna cry after seeing that, because yeah, I haven't been streaming much. I mean, actually, somebody claim third place. Ah, come on, we're 1 point shy from Q, and in practical is like way above, and I'm not even talking about rings at this point. Where's the Bedcop, by the way? Bedcop is not as far from rings, by the way. Fun base alpha. Somebody claims third. We need to get ahead of Cuban. I mean, that's not gonna be enough, but one redeem, and we're gonna be equal. And then I'm gonna stream whatever, I don't know, tomorrow, maybe, probably, actually. Well, every time I say this, I'm like almost not. I end up not doing it. But yeah, please. I mean, next stream Nigel's gonna get us over anyway, unless Cuman shows up, and just goes again. Okay, so yeah, I'm not sure. Instantly copy that. The DS, what's DS? Hold on. With TypeScript plus effect or whatever. The DS for the TCG trading card game. Okay. Data structures. Okay. Um, yeah. Foss Unleashed said that I'm acronyms are my weakness, I guess. Well, no, that's not exactly what he said, but kinda. So PT flags, it's not just present, it's a large page. But I guess it's the same thing. Mapping over, unmapping part of large page. So if P or PS. Well, P and PS, kinda. T flags page size. The SDS plus algo are towards every coder should know. Well, those two things every coder should know, not necessarily towards. Please. Okay, so yeah, if this thing contains this stuff, then I need to free it. Else, if entry flags contains PTE flags P, I should probably extract this as a guard. So if it doesn't, return okay. Would guess. Know what I mean? No, I don't. Alright. I never know. It's now if let's do a regular else. So if page size, which means it's a large page. Then I'll need to free all the smaller pages. Well, I should probably move this here. Now, yeah, I guess. Stop. No. Okay, so just this was kind of awkward. So yeah, page size, large page. Now we need to iterate through all the pages here. Nigel, what Nigel? Okay. Where do I get the number of entries? Probably as a constant. Page table entries here. So I need to somehow offset into this page. Just like okay, so offset, we need to offset via address. So I need the next layer's page size. TypeScript. Wait. Wanna fight against me? As you to implement. It's implemented! First of all, you are on cooldown once you send the plushes. Second of all, you can't fight yourself. Or else it would just be always you fighting yourself if you have enough plushes. Now, I'm gonna give you one plushie. I'm gonna give you Rust, okay. I'm gonna give you two plushes to fight against. Rust and you, and a coin. Okay, fine. Plushie Devnin. Yeah. Now you can fight yourself. Here's you can just fight yourself. I just damaged trust. Oh my god, sorry. Sorry, my piece of piece of technology. So that what I was going. Oh my god. That's what I was going to say. Fight what? You I mean you can fight, you can just fight, but oh wait, you don't have fight, you have punch. Of course. Oh my god. Punch. Punch. Fire. Oh, I mean I don't need it. Just burn to death. Add force. Add force. Put out quickly. I don't even remember what are my plushes. You're trying to. Oh wow, that was actually pretty good. Even though you were burning. Should the burning thing when punching burn other thing? You need to do put out and spell the whole name of the plushie, because I didn't want to make it too easy. Okay, you can have a plushie. You can have game maker to fight against, and well, let's also do me, so you can fight against me. Oh my god, this just broke from falling. Okay, so now I have page. We have page. We need the next layer. Let next layer equal self next layer. A layer. This layer via address. False. I'm not gonna map. So if map is false and mapping not mapped. Okay, so if this is, well, I need to, well, it is present. So I guess so if in this case it's a large page and I just need to unmap. I just need to decrement all the pages it is composed of. Well, I need a physical address though. So yeah, I need a physical address, which is entry address, and then I need a page size. I can have a page size of this layer. Well, I need to. Well, actually, you know what? Page size. Size min, and we have layers here. Self page size of this layer. So we divide this by min. That's how many pages are in this thingy. Then I'm gonna take entry address, add page to it, which is page size as u size. Is it u size? Oh, this is the u size already. So this as u size. So page being a u size. So now I get the physical address of this page, and now I just need to free page. Address. Oh, page size. Oh, I could do page size actually, huh? I kind of forgot. Okay, so then I can just do self page size of layer. Well, it's the same. Now I need to cast this to page size. I feel like I need a match here, because there's no other way, sadly. Where's the page size, like the other way around? I think no page size from. Well, there might be from actually, or try from probably. Okay, so free this. Let's try running this. Try from. Try from's not implemented, sadly. There should be a way to sort variants, generate impul, generate trait impul. Or maybe from. It's not that easy. No. Baba fan from use size. Okay. Self size 4K. Can I do this? I mean, theoretically, I should be able to. I said I can't do expressions. Sadly, self size 4K. Well, maybe 1G 4M 2M 1G. Copy that. Put that in. Here. No, it's probably not gonna compile. No, first of all, return self. Oops. Run. Now, use size, phone page size. Sadly, yeah. Have to now manually input numbers. 1004 megabytes. It's 400000. Now 2. Wait, not that. Is there actually that many zeros? Yes. Interesting. Now, underscore will be none. Let's do some. Okay, so multi cursors with this theme are also a bit like not that much. It's not like I feel like they should be how do you say this? I don't know. More visible, I guess. Simplest way to say it. Oh, and did you see that I use colon BP again? I'm just used to it. From use size. So that's my habit now. Expected page size unwrap. So this shouldn't be. No, run. We should just run, I guess. To do 163 anyway. So if this is a large page, I'm gonna do this. Else theme cat pushing a mocha here. Okay, that's much more blue than my terminal. Well, I can tell it. Maybe no. Maybe I'm just maybe I'm just imagining. But I feel like my terminal is more grayish. They're so similar. But the Tmax might actually be mocha. I'm not sure. Anyway. So yeah, free page. So either free page. So this is free page. This is self free. Well, this is self free page, and this is regular free page. Now actually I should be doing it. If not page size, then I'm gonna also free all the intermediate ones. And flash TLB. Okay, so this is hard. Let's do so. If it's not present, then we return. Now if so, here we do this recursion if it's not page size and okay, so yay, I'm using the shortcuts finally. So we have page info table. Let's do get page info for the page. Get page info from the table for a specific page. Page is gonna be phys other physical address. So this is gonna return same thing but just one page, and is static. So we get the page info table. Okay, I feel it. I feel like I need to map it. No, I hate it. Spin mutex. Well, I mean, CRW lock create ink. Why can't spin create just map stuff? And it needs a lock API. Create ink. Okay. Should still be okay. That's bad. API RW lock read guard, RW lock write guard. Mapped RW lock read guard. This is lifetime and type. This is lifetime, type, and update type. This is lifetime and the lock and the type. This is spin lock, and then this. So it should be something like this. If you don't understand, you shouldn't. I don't either. So page info is gonna return RW lock mapped read guard, because this is a thing. Oh my god. So page info table indexed by page is u size divided by page size qualified mean as u size, like that. Okay, so RW lock mapped read guard. A type alias with similar name exists. No. I need create sync mapped read guard. Mapped. Oh, wait. Well, yeah. I should put mapped first. There's like wording issues at this point. Read log guard, look read guards map. Oh my god, that's annoying. It's a bit annoying. That's a bit insane. Look, create sync. Read card. And I will read card map. Okay, this should work. Expected reference. Sure. Now this should theoretically compile. Well, except for this. Self next layer. Oh my god, it consumes a layer. I don't need the next layer actually. Page info of entry address. Dot uses. Oh my god, it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be a lot of problems, I see. Paging, I hate you. Didn't I already write it? Libres. Oh wait, modres. I hate every second of it. Always. I just can't. So many problems. It just drains me so much. Because I just see design problems and flaws. I haven't seen so many flaws in like Orco implementation. Because I rewrote Orco like 5 times at this point. Not for no reason. I guess kinda true. Jacks, it's only okay, just kidding. No, it's not. But still, it's why? I mean, I know if I was writing my own kernel, it would be the same problem. It would be the same problem, the same implementation problem. Same implementation problems. So I just can't. I quit. Yeah. I don't know. Hold on. Okay, I'm probably gonna be ending. I just can't. Because I see this, I feel like I'm gonna have to rewrite a lot of stuff. Probably. I mean, I'm not sure. I'm not sure in anything. Like, right now, page allocator, which has given me enough problems. Half of the paging problems were with mapping. I thought, well, like, when I was done with this trait, I was like, oh my god, I'm done. I'm never touching this again. It's all my problems are gone. No, page allocation, which is a simple thing, it's also so many problems. I should probably take a look at Linux page info table. I'm not sure if this thing is called the same thing. Page tables. Linux has like physical to virtual address mapping thingy, I think. The physical address corresponds to virtual address referenced by an underlying physical page frame center. Ifn divided by page size. And here PGDP, 4DP, UDP, MDP, TE. Memory management documentation. Yeah, I remember reading that. Physical memory page table, process boot memory. Boot memory. Page allocation. Okay, that's what we need. I kind of want to take a look at boot memory though. That's it? What is it? Why? Page tables. Oops, page tables. Yes. Oh no. Don't say those are just empty. No. Why? Linus Torvalds, why? Why is page allocation chapter empty? This is like most important part, huh? Game disappointed in Linux. MMU TLB page falls, I know everything on this at this point. Well no, but does not use all page table levels, it can be fooled, which means skip the normal pages performed on pages page tables. I feel like large pages at this point I just don't want them. Just for the complexity, but it's like programming complexity, it's not complexity that's gonna have problems during runtime, except that it's hard to program again. Looking, but like how? Linux page allocation. Physical page allocation. Okay, so there is a chapter that it has question mark symbols in it now. It's kernel org doc gorman HTML understand 009. If you want, I can link this in chat. And also this memory management documentation. Docs kernel org. Like, kernel! Linux kernel has a documentation. But this like manual works better. I think, because I already see the free block management and stuff. Chapter describes how physical pages mapped, managed and located. There's a binary body. I'm pretty sure that's the same thing I want to use, but not the same thing I'm using, because I have one thing. Well, maybe no. Okay, maybe I'm not using binary body. It's normal power of 2 allocator with free buffer call scaling. I have no idea what the power of 2 allocator. So yeah, if I rewrite page allocator, is it gonna help though? Maybe no. Maybe it will. Shooter will begin describing how links remembers what blocks of memory are free. After that, methods for allocating freeing pages will be discussed in details. Subsequent section will cover the flags which affect allocator behavior. By the way, maybe I should make it larger. Maybe not that large. Okay, so the subsequent section will cover flags which affect the allocator behavior, and finally problem of fragmentation and how the allocator handles it will be covered. As stated, the allocator maintains blocks of 3 pages where each block is a power of 2 number of pages. Okay, that's interesting. The exponent of the power of 2 size blocks referred to as the order. An array of free area T structs are maintained for each order that points to a linked list of blocks and of pages that are free, as indicated by figure 6.1. I don't understand any word, any part of it. I mean, I kind of get what they're trying to do, but at the same time, no, not at all. The allocator maintains blocks of 3 pages. So those are blocks of 3 pages. Where each block is a power of 2 number of pages. So this is like 2 to the 0 power of pages. This is 2 to the 4th power. This is max order minus 1, 2 to the max order minus 1, whatever. Free area T structs are maintained for each order that points to a linked list of blocks. They're free as indicated by figure 6.1. Hence, the 0th element of the array will point to a list of 3 page blocks of size 2 to the 0. The element of the array will point to a list of 3 page blocks of this size or 1 page. The first element will be a list of these pages, list of 2 pages blocks, or one page. So two size pages, let's say, up to this number of pages, where max order is currently defined as 10. This eliminates the chance that a larger block will be split to satisfy a request where the smaller block would have whatever. Maintained on a linear linked list via page list. Region has a free area T structure. What are zones? Called free area max order. In Linux m.h as follows. List head free list unsigned long pointer map. A bitmap representing the state of a pair of bodies. So this is free area T, so this is a single level. Zone free area. Okay, makes sense. Saves memory by only using one bit instead of two to represent each pair of bodies. Okay, maybe I should actually use this, because this actually kinda solves the problem I'm having. The last problem I had, which is on the stream, because it's like page sizes. To represent each pair of bodies. Each time a body is allocated or free, the bit representing pair of bodies is toggled so the bit is 0 if the pair of pages are both free or both full. So to toggle the correct bit must the macro mark used in page alloc C is used. Page within the global memory map array. To write Allocating pages links provide a quite sizable API for the allocation of page frames. All of them take a GFP mask as a parameter, which is a set of flags that determine how the allocator will behave. The flags are discussed in section 6.4. Okay, good. Allocation API functions are allocation API functions all use the core function alloc pages, but the API exists so the correct node and zone will be chosen. Different users will require different zones, such as zone DMA for certain device drivers or zone normal for disk buffers, and callers shouldn't have to be aware of no zone of what node is being used. Oh my god. I think that's a good thing. Like splitting into zones. I mean, I'm not gonna say I get this before I read the whole thing yet. A full list of page allocation APIs are listed in table 6.1. Is it fun watching me read all of this? I mean, I kinda like it because I kinda understand what's going on. It's not like reading whatever, I don't know. But because this gives me an idea of a solution. No, I'm writing a kernel. I'm writing a microkernel. Well, technically speaking, I'm contributing to github/Texelware/Satan. But, like, actually what I'm doing is I'm just finishing my part of paging. That's it. So yeah. x86 i386 is unsupported, unfortunately. I'm not gonna be implementing that because TLB flashing. I was annoyed enough by paging that it's like, I was like, okay, I'm not implementing a separate TLB flashing mechanisms that are gonna flash the whole TLB with just to support i386. I'm just gonna throw it away. I mean, it can be modified, and like this is a microkernel, so you just modify it and use it with other modules. But yeah, I'm not gonna edit like just edit. Maybe if you copy the whole thing and add stuff to it. Allocate a single page and return a struct address. Am I a part of the Texelware group? I guess. Why are you calling it a group? And what's a group? I mean, I'm inside of people region. Is this enough? Top language is C++ Rust. Interestingly enough. Yeah, we have 2 repositories right now. Ads are playing. I'm looking at my phone and it's like, and it says ads are playing. I was like, hold on, raid started? Because this notification for me looked like raid. And I was like, hold on, what's happening? Anyway, so struct page, allocate page, unsigned in mask, allocate a single page and return a struct address. Allocate pages, allocate 2 to the power of order number of pages and returns a struct page. Huh? I guess address to an array. Get free page, allocate a single page, zero it and return a virtual address. Specifically zero it. It's interesting. Underscore get free page and return virtual address without zeroing it. Okay. Get free pages. Allocate 2 to the order number of pages and return virtual address. Allocate 2 to the order number of pages from DMA zone and return a struct page. Get DMA pages. Okay, interesting. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna do anything close to this, but just one API function tokens, which is gonna be enough for me. Allocations are always for a specified order. Zero in the case where a single page is required. If a free block cannot be found of the requested order, a higher order block is split into 2 bodies. One is allocated and the other is placed on the free list in the lower order. Okay, good. Interesting. Figure 6.2 shows where the 2 power block is split and how the bodies are added to the free list until block for the prots is available. Okay, interesting. So this thing. So we take the order 4 block, we split it in half, put one of the order 3 block in here, and then we split the other one in half again and put one of the order 2 blocks in here. Okay. Accelerator free, the body will be checked. If both are free, they're merged to form a higher order block and placed on a higher free. Okay, interesting. Where its body is checked and so on. If the body is not free, the freed block is added to the free list in current order. In this manipulations, traps have to be disabled to prevent an interrupt handler manipulating this while a process has them in an inconsistent state. Okay, this is a cheat by using interrupt safe spin lock. Second decision to make is which memory node of PG data T to use. Linux uses a node local allocation policy which aims to use the memory bank associated with. Hold on, let me read this again. The second decision to make is which memory node or PG data T to use. I have no idea what a memory node or PG data T is. Use node local allocation policy, which aims to use the memory bank associated with the CPU running in the page allocating process. So we're trying to use the memory bank associated for the CPU running the process. So somehow, like, here the function alloc pages is what is important, as this function is different. Finish it, hopefully. I guess. I want my, like, my personally main goal with the kernel right now is make a competitor to Redox.org, Redox OS. that's like it, cause wait, it's not Redox.org, I guess. Hold on, Redox OS. Let me stop just typing random stuff. Okay, it's redux-os.org. This thing. So my goal is to make a competitor to the kernel of Redux. And yeah. With the kernel, that's it. For now. I guess. Because I personally see the Redux OS as a bigger competitor, as the biggest competitor to Satan, because like from my perspective, because like from my perspective, the kernel I'm working on, I'm contributing to, should suit my needs, probably, and like Redux OS is right now the closest. It is still like not really it's like not perfectly. What do you mean no more on Orco? Didn't I mention at the start of the stream that next stream is gonna be Orco if I finish page allocation stuff, which every second becomes slower and lower chance. So yeah, Orco I still Orco will actually be an important component in the system I'm trying to build. And when I'm saying system, I mean system. I mean system. Well, interpret this word however you want. Anyway, let's read this further. Regardless of API, alloc pages in page alloc is the heart of the allocator. Function which never call directly examines the selected zone and check if it's suitable to allocate from based on the number of available pages. Non-suitable allocator may fall back to other zones. The order of zones to fall back on are decided at boot time by the function being zone needs, but generally zone high mem will fall back to zone normal and set in turn will fall back to zone DMA. On watermark, it will wake key swap D to begin freeing up pages from zones, and if memory is extremely tight, the caller will do the work of key swap D itself. Allocate pages alloc pages calls underscore alloc pages, which calls underscore alloc pages. That's Linux kernel. Oh well. Which calls whatever this is. I mean, decided on the function rmq is called to allocate a block of pages or split higher level blocks if proper decided is not available. Free pages. You can, true, but having them gradually decreasing and increasing. By the way, well, not by the way. I can't. I just can't. You can never have enough. That's right. So yeah, I give up. I'm pretty sure there's a crate. That's one of the reasons I migrated to Rust. I don't want to write stuff myself. Per merge and automatic. Oh my god. So yeah, hopefully binary body is a thing. And yeah, we probably need a regular allocator in Satan again. Because I mean, we will need lists. Quebec snake case like this underscore dash underscore. Wait, what is it? Underscore dash underscore dash underscore alloc. You know what? Actually, I have let me get this picture for you. I have a picture of file naming conventions. I wanna put it in here. Okay, hold on. Wait, what? Let's go in again. Let me just. This is just an awkward way of trying to transfer a photo or an image, I guess, from Telegram to Discord. I don't know, I'm on Telegram on stream. So yeah, I had this thingy, this photo for a while. I was looking at it and wanting this mat with file naming conventions. I can look at it for a moment, for a few moments. I can't zoom in out. Maybe I can. Wait, I can just here. You can't really see. So yeah. Here are all your cases. Stop cases, nice. Why haven't you wrote this in stop case? Trying to joke. Yeah, I guess. What's here? Pascal Snake actually kinda looks good. I async HTTP client. HTTP header keys with dashes. By the way, Screaming Snake keys. For some reason the name is not in Screaming Snake keys. I don't know why, it's just messed up. It is just messed up for some reason. Yes, I'm pretty sure all others are on. String keys, stop keys, uppercase. I kinda like Unikeys by the way. But sometimes when names get long, camel case or like snake case is just the winner. I normally use snake case because I normally use Rust. Anyway, this photo is in my Discord, which I'm pretty sure I can do Discord. Yes, I can. So yeah, if you wanna see other cool stuff, join it, I guess. Please. So yeah, I'll look stuff. Bare metal allocators. Bare metal is or with OS location facilities. Body, a binary body allocator. Okay, so binary body. I mean, it's not a regular allocator, is it? So we have levels, block size, unpopulated initialization, RAM. Huh. A body can be initialized for a region of memory without immediately allowing it to access any of the memory. Okay, so I'm actually surprised by how many binary body allocators are there. One. Great. And I need one that preserves like reference counting. Reference counted binary body. I wanna see that. Okay, so I guess this thing is not a thing. Also, Brave Search. I mean, Brave Search kind of works, but I wanna use DuckDuckGo still, because I'm used to it more. It's the default for now. Okay, so I don't see any locators, and someone's gonna kill me for the white theme, so let me just go ahead and yeah. Body, a BDD package. Let's add allocator to the end. Does this have a backing allocator? Does this have lists, proper stuff, block size, body? Okay, let me get to sources. It's a raw body, I guess, which consists of raw body parts. Well, no, fully. Levels is a body level array, which I guess is containing block size, block power, free list, which is option of non-zero use size. Like imagine option of use size and the bitmap. Okay, good. So I'm not quite sure about splits. So I'm not quite sure about implementing it myself, especially with reference counting. So yeah, maybe we just keep page info table and the binary body and all the things. I guess maybe. So yeah, it's for me. I'm gonna be ending. So yeah. Hopefully I'm gonna get it all fixed. Probably no. Probably I'm just gonna burn out. So yeah, maybe tomorrow is another Satan day. I have other stuff to do. Reinventing the way Linux is installed. Next square step. Okay, should we rate T2? 75 viewers. It's not that comfortable. I mean, people say it's fine, it's good. Or any suggestions? Maybe. Even doing kernel def, kernel. I don't think I even have any kernel tags. T2 has kernel. I should add a kernel tag, by the way, to my stream. OS dev, compiler. Okay, I still have compiler tag. Well, I'm gonna add an OS or a kernel one. Kernel. I think it should be lowercase. Okay, so yeah. I guess no suggestions. I guess we're rating T2. I mean, I don't know. What was it? I have rated one time in last 30 days. Yesterday, last time it was saying the same thing. Thank you, Cinco. Have a good time of the day wherever you are. Yes, night to you as well. So should we rate T2? I guess he'll be fine if I read him twice, like day after day, whatever. Okay, good enough. Yeah, 4 years are ready to raid. That's good. Thank you for joining. And yes, I will see you next time. Just Covino. Hi. And I guess goodbye. Yeah, bye, guys. Just,